in the eyes of communist hardliners' eye, the Tibetan unique cultural heritage and spiritual, in their eye, is the source of threat of separation, Tibet from China. So about 15 years ago, one party secretary, his name Teng Guiyan, he actually mentioned at one party meeting the ultimate source of threat, Tibet being separate from mainland China, is Tibetan Buddhist faith. So they deliberately carry some certain policy to eliminate, Tibetan Buddhist cultural heritage or Tibetan Buddhist spirituality. So then, from the viewpoint of 6 billion human beings, Buddhism of Nalanda tradition is one of the treasure of 6 billion human beings. So now, when Tibet really, disappear with its unique cultural heritage, including Buddhist faith, then who will take care about this treasure of East, treasure of India? There's a Nalanda tradition of Buddhism. Now, it is your responsibility now